Hi, good day. I'm Tristan Jester David and I am a BS Nursing student of APCAS Balanga. And for this video is about showcasing the importance of aspects of physical fitness. The first one is cardiovascular endurance. Second is muscular strength. Third is muscular endurance. And the last one is flexibility. Let me reiterate it further. Cardiovascular endurance, this refers to the ability of your heart and lungs to work efficiently during prolonged physical activity. It is important for activities like running, cycling, swimming, or any other exercise that keeps your heart rate elevated for extended periods. The second one is the muscular strength. Muscular strength, this is the amount of force your muscles can produce. It is important for tasks that require lifting or pushing heavy objects like weightlifting or just performing a daily activities like carrying groceries. The third one is the muscular endurance. It is different from strength. Muscular endurance is the ability of your muscles to sustain repeated contractions over time without getting fatigued. This is key for activities like doing push-ups or maintaining a good posture during a long periods. And the last one, the fourth one, will be flexibility. Flexibility, this involves the range of motion of your joints and muscles. Good flexibility reduces the risk of injuries and helps with mobility in everyday life. It is important for exercises like yoga and sports like gymnastics.